Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Prakash and welcome to third class of probability. See, start with the question. What is the probability that a black king can attack white king on a chessboard? And those who doesn't play chess, king can move only one step on chessboard, right? It can move only one step, either back or front, horizontal, diagonal, okay, diagonal, anyway, only one step. Okay. So this question is about if at all a king could attack a king, right? In actual chess, a king cannot attack a king. Okay. So because you know that a king cannot go even close to a king, right? It has to be at least one step away from king. So, but there's a question that what is the probability that a black king can attack a white king on a chessboard? Okay. And king can move only one step on chessboard. This is a question. Okay. So to answer this question, so don't be emotional that okay, king cannot move. So answer is zero. King cannot go close to another king, right? Don't be emotional here to answer a question. Okay, so see, this is a chessboard question, right? Very interesting question it is. We'll see how to solve chessboard question, how to segregate chessboard in different parts. Okay, so see, I'll first make a chessboard here. We'll understand this concept very carefully. Very important concept here. So see, what we can do here is a black king. See, suppose it's a black king, right? Suppose king is at a corner. Okay. So if king is at any of the corner square, it can be attacked by another king in three ways, from here, or here. Okay. If king is at any edge square, it can be attacked by another king in five ways. One here, one, two, three, four, five. And if king is at any center square, okay, so it can be attacked by king in eight ways. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So chessboard has basically these three parts, right? Chessboard has these three parts. Okay. So first part is number of corner squares. Okay. What is the number of corner squares? So number of corner square is equal to 4 in any chessboard, right? 4 corner square. 1, 2, 3, 4 corner square. Number of edge squares. Edge squares. Right? All these are edge squares like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edge squares except the corner square. Except the corner square. 6 edge squares. So 6 on each side. There are 6 on each side. There are 4 sides. 6 4 are 24. 6 4 are 24. There are 24 edge squares. And since there are 64 squares, 8 cross 8 chessboard, there are total 64 square. 64 small squares here. Okay, in that how many center squares? So number of center squares is how much? 24 plus 4, 28. 64 minus 28. There are 36 center square on chessboard. Right? Now, when one king is on the corner square, we will make three cases, right? First case, when first king is at corner square. What is the probability then? When first king is at corner square, second king can attack in three ways, right? So first king is at a corner square. What is the probability? Its probability is 4 by 64. Because there are 4 corner squares, he can be at any of the 4 places divided by total 64. The total 64 sample space here, right? So out of 64 cases, 4 are corner squares. The probability that king 1, first king will be at any of the corner square is what? 4 by 64. Now what is the probability that second king can attack the first king when it is at corner square? So it can attack the second king in three ways, right? First king in three ways. Second king can attack the first king in three ways. 1, 2, 3, 3 ways. Okay. So what is the probability that he can attack the second king? So total there are 3 ways. So I'll write 3 here. And what is the sample space? 63. For second case, for second king, there are only 63 places on the chessboard because on one place there will be first king. So for second king, there are only 63 places, right? So 4 by 64 into 3 by 63. Okay, this is the first case. First king is at a corner square. What is the probability? 4 by 64. Second king is at a corner square. What is the probability? So second king can attack the first king when first king is at a corner square. What is the probability? It can attack in three ways. So 3 by 63 because there are only 63 squares for now. Second king. First king is at one square. Okay, second one. When k1 is at that means first king is at any edge square. So what is the probability that first king is at any edge square? So total how many edge squares here? 24 edge square. So first king is at any edge square. What is the probability? 24 by 64. And once first king is on the edge square, the second king can attack him in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ways, right? So what is the probability of second king attacking the first king? 5 ways upon total number of cases, 63. 24 by 64 into 5 by 63, right? Third case, when k1 is at any center square. What is the probability? Center square, that means how many center square? 36 center square. So for k1 is at a center square. What is the probability? 36 by 64. And means multiply. The second king can attack first king when he's on center square in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ways. 8 ways upon total number of ways, 63. So these are the three cases. Okay. So what is the answer final? Solve it, right? We should solve it. We'll solve here. Just get the final answer. Just add all the three cases, either first case or second case or third case, right? Just add all the cases. So answer is 4 by 64 into 3 by 63 plus 24 by 64 into 5 by 63 plus 36 by 64 into 8 by 63. Now don't cancel because it will have a common LCM. 64 into 63. 4 3 are 12 plus 120. 12 plus 120 plus 36 8 ja 288. Okay, so 288. It is how much? 420. 420 by 64 into 63. Just cancel it. 21 3 times. 21 2 times is 42, so 20 times here. Here 5 times 4 5 ja 416 ja, right? What is the answer? Answer is 5 by 48. So answer for this question is 5 by 48 is the probability that a first king can attack a second king on the chessboard, right? It cannot be a king, right? It could be given that there are two king, or there can get any other two of the players on the two of the stamps on the chess, right? So in how many ways the first one can attack the second one? First one can attack the second one if both the stamps can move only one place. Okay, so it can be any of one those out of king or queen, or they can give out any of the chessboard, right? It could be either of this king or queen, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so just see the question and its beautiful concept. What is the answer? Answer is 5 by 48. 5 by 48. Okay, now next question. Now see, it's another beautiful concept here. This question, another beautiful concept, right? Bit of graphical concept we'll use to understand this, and then we can solve many such question on the graphical method. Okay, understand this question. A and B have less than or equal to 5 diamonds each. What is the probability that sum of their diamonds is more than 3 but less than 9? Okay, that means we have to take the cases where A plus B is equal to 4, A plus B is equal to 5, A plus B is equal to 6, A plus B is equal to 7, and A plus B is equal to 8. These are my 5 cases, right? Now see, what I will do here, I'll make a graph. Understand this concept. Why I'm making graph, all will be clear in next 5 minutes. Just have patience and understand this. Since A and B have less than or equal to 5 diamonds, so I'll make 5 points. A very good concept. Kindly understand very carefully. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and make it 5. Right, now I'll make a 5 cross 5 grid, right? This is a 5 cross 5 grid. Understand this. This is a 5 cross 5 grid. Okay, make this. From next question onwards, we don't need to make the graphs also, right? But we just should understand it. For understanding, first time I have to make the graph. Now see here, if they both have less than or equal to 5 diamonds each, what is the probability that some of their diamonds is more than 3 but less than 9? Okay, so this if I make a 5, because less than or equal to 5, so I make a 5 cross 5 grid, right? Now all these points in this grid here, you see, what is this coordinate? So this coordinate is nothing but 5, 0. What is this coordinate? This coordinate is 5 comma 1. This coordinate is 5 comma 2, like this. Okay, what is this coordinate? This is 4 comma 1. This is 4 comma 1, right? What is this? This is 4. This is 3 comma 2. So like this, if I take one for A and one for B, so it's always like sum of A plus B in this 5 cross 5 grid. If I take any coordinate, sum of A plus B will be maximum 10, because I make a 5. This is the maximum point, right? 5 cross 5. So 5 cross 5, 5 comma 5. What is 5 comma 5? Maximum A can have, maximum B can have 5 diamonds, maximum A can have 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So all these points in the graph represents my cases, right? Like suppose this point. So A has 5 diamonds, B has 0 diamonds. Okay, this point A has 5 diamonds, B has 1 diamond. This point means A has 3 diamonds and B has 2 diamonds. Okay, this point means A has 4 diamonds, B has 1 diamond. This point means A has 0 diamonds, B has 0 diamonds. So all are these my cases, right? So how many cases? So I can make, okay, 0 to 5. 0 to 5 there are 6 points, 0 to 5 there are 6 points. So 6 points and 6 points. How many cases? 6 into 6, 36. So total probability is 36. Okay, total sample space is what? It is 36. 36. Now you see, when A plus B equal to 4, how many cases? For A plus B equal to 4, how many cases? So this is for A, this is for B. X axis for A, y axis for B, right? So A plus B equal to 4, you join this point. Okay, you join this point. Okay, just join this point. A plus B equal to 4, join from 4 to 4. So how many points it is this line is cutting? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 points. Okay, what are the coordinates? Just for understanding, what are the coordinates? Coordinates are 4 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 0 comma 4, right? All these coordinates, right? These are what? These are the cases. 4 comma 0 means A got 4, A plus B equal to 4. How many cases? 5 cases. A got 4, B got 0, A got 3, B got 1, A got 2, B got 2, A got 1, B got 3, A got 0, B got 4. So A plus B equal to 4, 5 cases, right? So 5 cases here. Similarly, A plus B equal to 5. So if I join A plus B equal to 5, so I'll join from 5 comma 0 to 0 comma 5. 5 comma 0 to 0 comma 5. How many point it is cutting? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 point it is cutting. So A plus B equal to 5 will have 6 cases, right? Take all the coordinates. What are 6 cases? 5 comma 0, 4 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Okay, that means A has 2 diamond, B has 3 diamond, like that. Now, why this graph is important? Because A plus B equal to 6 will have now case will start reducing, because A is less than equal to 5 and B is less than equal to 5 is the maximum case. So if A plus B equal to 6, so A plus 4 is 5, A plus by 5 is 6. So I can't say A plus B 6 is 7. No, because here till 5 I could include the case of 5 0, 5 0 and 0 5. But from here, since there are 6 diamonds now and they have maximum 5, so there won't be any case of 0 now. There won't be any case of 0 now, right? That means A plus B 6, how many cases now? See here, 6 is what? 5 comma 1. So after this line, next line. This is for A plus B equal to 4. This is for A plus B equal to 5. This is for A plus B equal to 6. You join this. How many points? How many points? You see, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 points. So again 5 cases. Again we are back to 5 cases. Okay, see, cases reducing. 5, 6, now 5. A plus B 7, next line. A plus B 7, 4 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. A plus B 7, 4 cases. A plus B 8, next line. 1, 2, 3, 3 cases. 1, 2, 3, 3 cases, right? So you can see here, what you can sense here, what the logic here is. Logic here is A plus B 7 means what are the points? Like 5 comma 2. Okay, what is this? 4 comma 3. That means A has 4, B has 3. A plus B is 7. This point, A has 3, B has 4. That means 3 comma 4. This point, A has 2, B has 5. That means 2 comma 5. Right. So there are 4 cases of A plus B 7. And A plus B 8, there are 3 cases. Okay. 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3, 4 comma 4 and 3 comma 5. Okay. So this will give me cases, right? So just to understand this graph now, will not draw always. Just you observe directly now. that when A is less than equal to 5 in B and B is less than equal to 5, I'll directly make 6 into 6, 0 to 5, 6, 0 to 5, 6, total 36 points, right? Out of that A plus B, there are 5 cases, A plus B equal to 4. So till the maximum point is reached, where is the maximum point here? Since A plus B equal to 5, because since there are 5 and 5, so 5 is the maximum point here, okay? So till A plus B equal to 5, till this number reaches here, okay, 5 and 5 they'll matches here. So A plus B equal to 5, the cases will be one more than that. That means A plus B 4, 5 cases, A plus B 5, 6 cases. We have studied this, right? A plus B 5, how many cases? 5, 5C1. Okay, sorry, A plus B 5, how many cases? 5 plus 1, 6C1. That is 6. Why? Because 0 can also be included. That's why. A plus B 4, 5 cases. So this cases will be one more than the number. For 4, 5 cases. For 5, 6 cases. But since this 5 and 5 matches, now after that, cases started begin reduced, because this is a 5. This is a line for 5. This is the maximum line, right? After that, the cases will become reducing. Cases will reduce now. Okay, so for A plus B, say B6, again after 6, this is the maximum point, right? After 6, again 5 cases for A plus B6. For A plus B7, how many cases? 4 cases. Okay, reducing now. 5, 6, 5, 4. For A plus B8, how many cases? 5, 4, then 3. 3 cases. What is the answer? Answer is 23 by 36. This is the answer. See, this concept is very important, right? If you get this concept, understanding a first concept first time is lengthy, right? It looks big, but once you understand this, right, we'll have the shortest possible method for every question. Okay, and I'll show you this in next question. Next question, I'll do that. It's a very tough question, but we'll do it with great ease, right? With this concept. Just know this concept. We don't will not do graph. Will not draw graph in this concept. In next question, simply understand this: when A and B are less than equal to 5 and 5, when they are less than equal to 5 and 5, right? So there are maximum point reaching when A plus B equal to 5. This is the maximum point reaches. After that, number of cases will be what? One less than the number, less. 6 to 5, 5, 4, then 3. Before, till the maximum point is reached, all the cases before it, like for 4, 5 cases, one more. For 5, 6 cases, one more, like that. Okay. Now, I'll show this in next question. Okay, see you. Now, we'll directly apply the question on the concept of the last question. Okay, same question, similar question. We'll simply apply the same concept. See here. So number of wickets they lose is more than 5, but less than 13, right? So A is less than equal to 10 and B is less than equal to 10. Correct? First thing is correct, right? A is less than equal to 10. Sorry, 10 will be here. A is less than equal to 10 and B is less than equal to 10. How many cases? Total for sample space. What is sample space? How many cases? So A is less than equal to 10. So 10 from in that graph, 0 to 10, 11 points, 0 to 10, 11 points. So total 11 into 11, total 121 points will be there. Now, how many cases for A plus? So what is the cases? A plus B equal to 6, A plus B equal to 7, A plus B is equal to 8, A plus B is equal to 9, A plus B is equal to 10, A plus B is equal to 11, and A plus B is equal to 12. Okay. Where is the maximum point? Since A is less than equal to 10 and B is less than equal to 10, so 10, this is the maximum point on it here, 10. Okay. So before, till maximum point, number of cases will be one more than this number, one more than this, than the constant term here, that is 6 here. Okay. So number of cases will be one more than that. Okay. So till maximum point is reached, number of cases will be one more than the number here. So 6 plus 1, A plus B 6, how many cases? 7 cases. A plus B 7, how many cases? 8 cases. A plus B 8, how many cases? 9 cases. A plus B 9, how many cases? 10 cases. A plus B 10, how many cases? 11 cases. Now maximum point is reached. After that, it will reduce now. A plus B 11, how many cases? 10 cases. A plus B 12, how many cases? 9 cases. That's it, right? What is the answer? Answer is 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9. That is 15, 24, 34, 45, 55, 64. So 64 upon 121. This is the answer for this question, right? Why again logic? Why after maximum point it reduces? Because since A is less than equal to 10 and B is less than equal to 10, so I can make a 10 cross 10 grid. 10 cross 10 grid I can make. Okay. And in that 10 cross 10 10 cross 10 grid I can make, and the 10 cross grid, the maximum line is what? When a plus b equal to 10. So when a plus b is 10, is a maximum line. A plus b 10. After that, a plus b 11, it start reducing. A plus b 12, further reducing. A plus b 13, further reducing. 14, it keep on reducing, right? Because maximum can have it 10 wickets. One team can have 10 wickets, right? So after the maximum 10, cases start eliminating, right? Like for 11, there can't be zero case. For 12, there can't be one case, one wala case, right? That means a plus b 12, I can't take 11 and 1. I can't take 12 and 0 because maximum is 10 only. That's why cases starts reducing. Okay, so very nice concept. We'll discuss in this video for chessboard and this question. This some concepts through graph. Okay, so we'll continue in next video. Thank you.